NTRCA is proud to present Golden Hammer Awards for Outstanding Residential Project goes to Springtree Restoration for their exceptional work on the Lakewood Castle Project. This historic 1920s estate, once home to legendary Dallas Mayor R.L. Thornton, required preserving its architectural integrity while seamlessly integrating a major addition. Springtree Restoration completed extensive slate roof repairs and installed a custom synthetic slate roofing system that matched the original slate materials. Special thanks to team members Jaime Martinez, Nate Turner, Richard Payne with ABC Supply, David Itel with Itel Solutions, and Jay King with SR Premier Metals. Congratulations to the outstanding residential project winners.